it could be worthwhile to inspect your plant if it begins to exhibit strange symptoms. Eublemma olivacea is frequently linked to this disorder. Typical symptoms include: this caterpillar's larvae exclusively harm foliage. The first signs are vertically curled leaves. These leaves' internal tissues are what the caterpillars eat. The highest portions of the plant are most severely damaged. The curled leaves might dry up, wilt, and become brown. More severe infestations cause the plant to lose its leaves and become brown in whole sections. If population control methods are not implemented, this scenario may result in significant crop losses. Nevertheless, crop growth and output are rarely seriously threatened by this caterpillar. This problem can occur due to: the moth of this caterpillar is medium-sized, light brown to olive green, with a dark triangular patch on the outer part of the forewing. Their hind wings are translucent white. Female butterflies lay clusters of 8 to 22 eggs on the upper surface of leaves, usually on young leaves. After about 3 to 5 days, the eggs hatch into plump, purplish-brown larvae with cream or yellow bumps and long hairs on their backs. The larval stage lasts about 4 weeks, after which the caterpillar pupates inside a rolled-up leaf. After 7 to 10 days, the pupa transforms into a new generation of adult butterflies. There are about 3 to 4 generations of butterflies each year, depending on weather conditions. You can experiment with natural remedies like: to reduce infestation levels, parasitic wasps like Cotesia species can be used for biological management. Praying mantises, ladybugs, and beetles are examples of predatory insects that help manage the pest population. The proliferation of pests can also be managed by nematodes like Steinernema species. If the illness worsens, you could think about: prioritize taking into account the potential to combine relevant preventative and control actions in every situation. If insecticides are required, use malathion-containing products to reduce the number of leaf-rolling caterpillars. In order to lower the risk going forward, plant later in the growing season. Have a good fertilization strategy and plant healthy seedlings. Check the plants and garden on a regular basis for indications of insect infestation or illness. Caterpillars should be picked by hand, and contaminated leaves should be removed. Burn the contaminated leaves to get rid of them. To protect this pest's natural predators, stay away from applying broad-spectrum insecticides. In conclusion, the larvae shred and damage young leaves as they feed on them. Young leaves have a longitudinal curve. The curled leaves gradually dry out and turn brown. The entire plant becomes dark and loses its leaves in severe infestations. To find out more about maintaining the health of plants, subscribe to the channel.